Let's talk about rates, my friends. Let's talk about those predictions from the end of last year versus where they actually are right now. Now, back in 2023, at the end of the year, experts were predicting a decline in interest rates by Q3 of 2024. But here's a comparison of actually how those predictions really panned out. Now, here are the predicted rates for December 2023. The experts, being Mortgage Bankers Association, had it at 6.1%. The National Association of Realtors had it at 6.3%. And Fannie Mae had it at 6.7%. Who do you think won? We're about to find out with the actual rates from August 2024, finding that the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate currently is at 6.77%, finding that Fannie Mae was actually almost right dead spot on. Now, interest rates haven't dipped as much as originally anticipated, as I'm sure most buyers out there who are on the fence originally anticipated. But growth in home prices has actually slowed down as well, showing signs that the market is stabilizing. Now, here's the takeaway. Buyers, you got to pay attention. Waiting for significantly lower rates will likely push prices up as more buyers get back into the market, meaning less supply and more competition. And that includes, again, the reoccurrence of the multiple offer. Now, that is still very much present in this market, but in today's market right now, these are the things that you can be taking advantage of. One, as I just almost alluded to, being the only offer on the table. Multiple offers are still present, but they are not as automatic as they once were and have slowed down dramatically as inventory has increased. Now, number two, negotiate a price below the asking. This is something unheard of for our current market that we've been seeing for the past 6 months, and now it's becoming a trend because sellers are overpricing. Number three, negotiating seller credits to further reduce the price or lower those closing costs. Number four, this is something I haven't done too much of, but hey, if it works for you, by all means, take advantage of it. Have sellers lower your monthly mortgage payment by helping you out with a buy down in your mortgage rate. Number five, if you buy now, hey, you're looking forward to refinancing when those rates do eventually drop. And you can also wait until the rates get to a place where you feel that it's attractive enough to make that refinance jump. And also, if you need a mortgage broker for that, don't hesitate to drop a comment because I got you covered. And number six, last and foremost, work with an experienced agent who will negotiate the most favorable terms for you. Send me a DM with any questions you have whatsoever. I'm here to be a resource for you.